Hello YouTube, Louie here for a really quick video. This is an unpackaging of my Bird of Paradise tube of silver coins. These are Perth Mint coins, and before I unbox them, I'll read you the description. These were purchased from GovMint, and I don't buy much from GovMint, but I did get this roll from them. 2018 Australia, $1, 1 ounce. Silver Bird of Paradise in 4 nines, and just a little bit about the coin. Let's see, like I said, 4 nines, 22 a roll, and 50,000 in this release. And I think that's probably perhaps GovMint somehow authorized these coins to be made. 50,000 is what they've typically done, the wedge-tailed eagles. So this may be a GovMint offering. So a little bit about the Bird of Paradise. Let's see. They don't say it's a series. Now, I thought I read somewhere where it will be an ongoing series, perhaps Birds of Australia. Let's see. The Bird of Paradise. Australia's prestigious Perth Mint, no, let's skip that, showcases its iconic animals and creative ways to commemorate universal themes and events. Okay, it succeeded on both fronts, precious metal bullion and design. With its Bird of Paradise silver and gold, these legal tender 1 ounce coins are struck gold and silver. Australia's tiny Victoria rifle bird, one of many bird species classified as birds of paradise. They're available 40.6 millimeter, let's see, and image of a preening rifle bird. In the social world of Australia's rifle bird, it's the male who struts and preens to attract the attention of females. It does this by extending its wings to display all of its plumage. This catches sun rays and accentuates all of the bright colors. Once this is accomplished, the male hops from side to side in a mechanical-looking dance. Driving a fancy car seems easier, but since birds can't drive, this must have seemed like the next best thing. All right, so there is the background on the Bird of Paradise. They announced these a while ago, and as I typically do, I tried to follow the first day of release. And when I did, I found that the individual tubes were being offered on GovMint. So that's what this box is over here. I found it on my doorstep this weekend. FedEx home delivery had just left it there like a sack of potatoes. So again, I recommend United States Postal Service. It does the best job for me when it's UPS or FedEx. I usually have silly things like that happen. So here is my 1 ounce tube, nicely wrapped. So it was well wrapped in the box. Here is my receipt. And so this tube was $485, which is $24.25 a coin, about the right price for these, I think. And now I see they are selling them for $547. So they have raised the price, and they have also been grading them. But let's go ahead and see what's in the tube, huh? All right, here you go. This is what you've been waiting for. Oh, I didn't get an extra one. Okay, so here they are. This is the Perth Mint rolled tube of 20. Looks familiar. All right, full, sealed, not, as far as I can see, not tampered with. And here is the Bird of Paradise. This is the first time, can't figure out the top. Here, it's the first time I'm seeing this in person, perhaps for you as well. There it is. That looks very similar to a wedge-tail eagle design that GovMint is known for. Look at the way the wings reflect. That's pretty good, the reflectiveness of the wings. The image of the wings looked very mechanically drawn, and I did not like it, as I mentioned, but I do like the coin much better in person. It's kind of a simple coin, and the bird is a little hard to make out. Well, there's a lot of plastic between us and this image, but it's kind of neat the way the wings reflect in different directions. That is kind of interesting, actually. All right, and now for the queen. There she is. I believe that's the Jody Clark image, but I could be wrong. Very nice. So there is my queen of Birds of Paradise, and glad to see that the price has gone up, unless you haven't bought one yet, and then I'm sorry. But I wouldn't rush too hard to get this series at 50,000. That's more than we have been seeing typically, so it'll take a little while for this one to sell out, I imagine. But nonetheless, they're raising the prices. I debated getting a tube of these, but I thought I would at the 24, 25 buck a coin level. Seemed like a pretty decent bet. Okay, especially if they continue the series. All right, there's your Bird of Paradise. I wish you luck in getting yours, or hopefully you already have. And will you guys be buying these in the graded forms? I wonder. And what do you think? Another series from Perth? I don't know about this one. Jury's out for me. Okay, guys, have a great day.